Welcome back to Scooter Madness 101, where I'm going to show you how to install the battery that I showed you how to fill. This is the last step that you have to do to start your moped/scooter. Where this goes is located, you take up this flap. This is the battery compartment. You just take that off and set it to the side. You got two red wires and a green wire. The red wires go to your positive. The green wires go to your negative. So all you got to do is just set that inside, like so. Get your little screws. You put them through the holes. And you start hooking up your battery. You always do the red first. And you slide the cover over, like so. Now you hook up your green/ground wire. And you just start it and screw it down. And make sure they're tight. Then you just take it around and get your cover on it. Like so. Then you reinstall your battery compartment cover. Just 4 little Phillips screws. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then you just put your cover on. And it just snaps, these little snaps snap into place. Like so. You just go around snapping them all in place and you're ready to go. I already put gas in it. 93 octane is the only thing you should use for the scooter. And something to get rid of the ethanol, which I already put that in there also. So all you got to do is turn your scooter on, and it's going to turn over for a while because there's no gas into the carburetor yet. So it's going to turn over for a little bit, and then it'll fire up. Here we go. Now this is very normal when you first start your scooter. There you go. Whoop, one more time. I'm going to just let it idle to let the gas flow. And that's all you have to do. Thank you very much and have a good day.